Want to enable dual camera on your Snapchat? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily enable dual camera. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are already logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, now what you need to do is click on this arrow icon. After that, you'll see the option of dual camera right over here. Click on it. You can see 3 different types of themes. You can choose whichever you want to. You can try it out by clicking on it. Let me choose the second one. Once selected, now you can see that the back camera and also the front camera has been enabled. Both of the pictures are available. In order for you to take the picture, click on this icon. And there you go, the dual camera photo has been taken. If you want to send this to any of the people, click on send to and then send it from here. So this is simply how you can enable dual camera on Snap. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.